In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix verification code, email or phone number is incorrect while trying to log in or use Revolut mobile bank app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you have been trying this severally but you're still getting the same feedback, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this on your Revolut bank app. In the first method, first check and ensure that you are trying to log in with the correct email and also you are using the correct phone number that was paired with this bank app. However, if all the details are correct but you still get the same issue, then most likely you have tried to generate the code severally and you are entering maybe an outdated or expired verification code. For that, you will need to log out and try to log in afresh and wait for the latest verification code. In most cases, this should be able to fix your problem. However, if this does not work, then you want to troubleshoot Revolut mobile bank app to fix this. To do this, just go to your phone and look for settings. From settings, scroll down to apps and then go to manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for Revolut and tap on it and then go to force stop to stop any background activities that might be causing this issue. Then go to clear data and choose clear cache and okay, and again clear all data. At this point, you want to restart your smartphone, and once you have restarted it, now you should go to Revolut app and log in, and now everything should be working perfectly. However, if you still get the same error, then you want to go to Google Play Store or App Store and find your app. So I'll go to Google Play Store here because I'm on Android. Search for Revolut app and update it to the latest version. In most cases, this should fix your problem. However, should you still encounter a challenge, then most likely check and see if you have any VPN or any security app that you recently installed on your phone. If it is turned on, turn off or uninstall to use this app. By using any of this, now everything should be up and running without any issue. Let me know which of this was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.